In St. Lucia, the number of individuals seeking care for stress-related disorders doubled in 2023 compared to 2021, a clear indication that workplace mental health must be a priority. Public Service, Home Affairs, Labor and Gender Affairs Minister Honorable Virginia Albert Poyet stated that the issue of mental wellness is one that should be a priority because a lot of people look like they're okay, but that is not always the case. Poyet noted that what is needed is a system to diagnose and detect these issues very early.
So if we have that arrangement in place, it will make it possible for us to nip it in the bud in terms of dealing with prevention rather than allow it to occur and then we have to deal with a crisis on our hand. So I think we have to bring mental wellness in the high up on the agenda.
She stated that there are a lot of cases where employees file reports on mental health issues.
The police have asked for their own clinical psychologists to deal with them because what happened, they are exposed to some traumatic situations in accidents and deaths and murder and things like that, and they don't even know how to deal with it. Some of them too, in their line of work, are challenged and they don't know how to cope. So therefore, we have agreed that we will give them separate services because if they have to wait for the queue in the employee assistance program, they find that that service is coming too late. So we are trying to give them their separate services. So that is how there is a high demand for these kind of services, especially with government employees.
Poyet also made mention of the Employee Assistance Program, which is part of the Ministry of the Public Service.
So employees go to that unit for guidance, for therapy, for psychological support if they are going through stress and challenges, especially in their personal life as well as in the workplace. So we are already providing that facility. What we need to do is to increase the staffing so more employees can access that service.
She reiterated that carrying out the diagnosis a little more frequent can actually prevent people from triggering and creating stress for them and their family. The issue of mental health in the workplace remains prevalent, with more organizations raising awareness. Globally, depression and anxiety result in a loss of 12 billion working days every year, costing businesses approximately $1 trillion annually in lost productivity. These staggering figures reflect the need for businesses to create safe and supportive working environments, especially considering the increasing mental health challenges in our communities. Chloe Dantes, MBC Prime.